EngageBay CRM marketing automation and sales platform designed to help your business and customize your business. And you can sign up, guys, your account, and after logging your account, you can add contact and you can import your contact as a CSV file and other integration manual. You can add manual contacts and you can segment your contact. You can add use tags list, and you can automate your marketing, and you can set up your automated email campaign using your EngageBay marketing automation tools, and you can create workflow email based action, and you can track your sales pipelines, and you can engage sales CRM help you manage leads and track deals. This is how you can use, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. And you can, guys, analyze and optimize. You can use EngageBay to analyze, to track campaign and performance, and you can use the template, email template and video template, and you can track your campaigns. I hope this video helpful, guys.